aviators, how are you doing? So today let's make a content. Let's talk about aircraft position report. Let's go. You know what? Reports may vary slightly whether you are on a cross country or in a practice area or etc. Others. Now, if directly to a FIC, make initial contact before giving a position report. Now, general position report. Let's go also. Maybe directed to a FIC during a flight plan with the cross country to update them on your process. Reports may also broadcast on the appropriate area frequency to allow others who may be flying in the area to know where you are. Let's make an example of a general position report of an aircraft.
Traffic at Cessna 150 Foxtrot Romeo Golf. Overhead Carnival 5,500 feet. GFR flight plan direct to Muskoka.
Very simple. General position report. Now, note, you must be on a flight plan when flying across Canada and United States border. Ensure that your flight plan is both open and closed. Do not assume that this will be done automatically. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.